Hey, what's up my little pineapples? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Luly Star right here, and today I'm gonna bring you this super office glow happy hour. Every day I could wear this makeup look 5. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching because it's super easy, super staple look for everywhere, anytime, all the time. Keep on watching. To keep my face so clean, I just try to use very clean products, very low, very minimal ingredients, and I feel like this has made a huge difference in my face now that I'm not using Curology, but I still want to maintain my clean skin. And it's the glow recipe. Brighten up your skin, even out your skin tone. It will soothe it, it will refresh it. I also use it as a moisturizer before I put on my primer and I do the rest. I've been using this and I'm almost like done. It goes a long way, like just a little bit. The only thing that I do not like about it, but then I do, but it's like I'm in between, is the fact that you feel like you're putting fresh pineapples on your face. Like you feel the stickiness when you're applying it, like it's very natural. It's basically like having what happened?
That sounds gross.
It's like it's literally like putting pineapples on your face, but that's a good thing because it feels very natural. But then you have to kind of like rinse your hands or have like a wet towel next to you so you can dry your hands or clean your hands. But yeah, that's the only downside, and it smells like true pineapples. I'm not even kidding. Like when I say hi my little pineapples, I'm smelling you guys, or I'm smelling this. Okay, that's weird. Anyways, so this is what I like to start before now. Like this is part of my little prep routine before I do my makeup. Change a little bit my makeup routine, and now I prime before anything, like before I do my shadows. And in the meantime, while I'm doing my shadows, everything's like soaking in, and my makeup does last a lot longer. So I guess because it's like all the product is just absorbing into my skin, and it just makes it last a lot longer. So try that at home. Let me see how that works for you. Alright, so I'm gonna start with my LA Pro Concealer HD in color Pure Beige. And trust me, I have tried, because before I do these videos I do trial and error, because I don't want to give you guys false information of like, oh yeah, this works, and it does not work. So I've tried all the concealers for my eyeshadows, and so far I cannot go back to any other ones. It's the only one that I still go back to because I have not found one that I'm obsessed with like I am with this, if that makes any sense. So we're gonna use my classic, only one that does not crease, and I think that's why I keep going back to it. And I want to change it up, give you guys new products. But when I really like something, it's hard for me to just let it go to the drugstore.
What?
The drugstore, the pharmacy.
Oh.
Alright, so for this look I will be using this Lancome palette, and this palette has every possible like elegant shade that you can think of. Yeah. So for this look, I'm gonna start using this color right here. They don't have any names. Oh, it's called Sensational Effects Eyeshadow Smooth Hold. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this light shade right here. I always like to start with my light shade because you guys know my transition color, it's always a light color, because then it just makes it easier for me to add other tones. This transition color doesn't have to be dark. It could be like me. I always use the lightest color because it's just easier to blend the rest. Next, I will be using this brown color right up here. I'm gonna go a little lower than the transition color, a little lower than my, and I'm using this blending brush. It's actually a buffing brush because I get both the crease a little above and a little below, and it's just already like it did the smoking out for me. So after we do that, I will do a shimmer color, but first I'm going to start with the dark one. Use a small blending brush because you don't want to add too much. And this I'm only adding on the bottom eyelid and dragging it. Now with our lovely fingers, we're going to use the shade, the gold shade. Actually no, we're gonna do this shade first. This is like a dark gold, darker gold, I would say. And this one I'm gonna do it in the middle of my bottom eyelid, and I'm just gonna tap it very lightly. These colors are very pigmented, so you guys need to start very slowly. Just dab it with your fingers like this. So I'm just doing half, and now with another clean finger, I guess clean my finger, I'm gonna do the dark, the super light gold, and that one I'm gonna do it in the inner corner, and I'm gonna drag it all the way to the end. The trick with the eyeshadows, is that you want to bring the dark color to the outer corner and the lighter colors to the inner corner. If you're gonna do from light to dark or dark to light, always make sure that there is a transition, and the same thing goes up. Up it's lighter, lower is darker, and it's all just to make your eye appear bigger or smaller, but also because you don't want to make your eyes look opposite if you do the dark in the inside and then the light on the outside. I'm gonna go back with the same buffing brush, and I'm gonna use the same color that I started with, the light brown, and I'm just gonna go over the top. But this time I'm just gonna bring it a little higher, like that, and I just do like one little dab, and that's it on the palette. And then I'm just gonna apply it where it's lighter, where it's a little lighter on the skin, just to have more color up there, because then in pictures it looks like I have nothing. So you just make sure, if you have a big eyelid like I do, you just bring it a little higher like that. Alright, so with a small precision brush, I'm going to take this white color in the bottom, which is a little shimmery. It has like a pearly color, and I'm just going to apply that underneath my brow bone. So for my eyebrows today, I'm going to do the CoverGirl pencil, and this is in Rich Brown 705. And let me tell you, this pencil, it's very precise. I think this is almost like the Anastasia Brow is, the very small pencil, and this is much more affordable. And so now I'm gonna do my eyeliner with the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus, and I really like this pencil because it's so creamy, and I literally just do like a squiggly line, but I don't make it so perfect. And then with the other side, it's like a little sponge, and then you smudge it out. I'm gonna do my lashes and face, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now that I have done my whole face, now I'm just gonna do bottom lash line. And first I'm gonna do the pencil, and then I'm gonna smoke it out, and I'm gonna use the dark brown from my Lancome palette, and I'm just gonna use a very small amount to just smoke it out, and that will make sure also that it sets and it doesn't go anywhere. But if you set it, you won't regret it. Oh, I like that. So now for lips. Lately I've been doing this combo, and I've been loving it, like very much so So first I like to start with the lip injection by Too Faced, and I just like to apply this like right before I'm about to walk outside of my house. Once they are all plumped, I go in with my pencil, and this one is by Bobbi Brown in the color Chocolate, and this color you'll see, it's so beautiful. So the way I do it is first I do an X like that, so you have like the perfect Cupid's bow. And tell me if this is not the perfect nude. I think this is the only thing I go back and get at MAC all the time, and they look at me probably like, why is she always buying the same lipstick? Literally, this is the only thing I walk inside the MAC store to get over and over. And there you have it. Because then you get that glow underneath, you get your lips plump, you do the eyeliner, and boom, baby. Your girl is ready to do some work at the office. But okay, so for real guys, this look is super office oriented, but it's also very nighttime, happy hour coworkers, no problem. Throw some lashes, do some dark on the outer corners. You get this outer corners a little darker, and boom, you're ready to go for a little cocktail hour with your coworkers. Alright, my little pineapples, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't done so already before you leave this channel. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of my little pineapples family. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.